Good morning, day 70 on the CDT. Just about all packed up. Got to brush my teeth, stretch out. It's just before 6 o'clock, so getting a good early start. But I have my work cut out for me. I'm going down a few more miles to my last water source for 10 miles, and then that starts a over 3,000 foot climb up to over 13,000 feet. And then I'm hanging out above 13,000 feet all day. After that 10-mile carry, I have another 9-mile carry. And then after that water is the Argentine spine, which I don't want to be up there. So I got to really make it past that as well, which would be close to 25 miles today. So got my work cut out for me. I got to get going, try to get some of these easy miles knocked out this morning, and probably get my butt kicked today, but got to keep moving forward and hopefully get down off that ridge line tonight. Let's go. Just made the split off with the Colorado Trail. We'll probably be seeing a lot less people now. I was seeing at least 30 CT hikers probably every day for the last week or so. So back to a little more solitude. Up on top of Whale Peak, 13,039 feet. This cairn's giving me a little blockage from the wind. It's been super windy all day, but just having a quick snack, and I'm heading right here on this ridge up to that and down to my first water source at about 1.5 miles, and I'll probably stop there and eat some lunch. I'm 11.5 miles in for the day. It's just about 11:30, so I'm moving pretty good. Just got to keep it up, get these miles in here. It's been absolutely beautiful today. Little chilly, but better than super hot. I'll take it. water source, just a big pile of snow melting. Thank you, snow. I just looked at the map. This is gonna be an awesome afternoon. Check this out. So going up here to this ridge, down here, all the way over to this spot called Red Cone, and then up on this ridge. And you can see on this far mountain here some of the switchbacks. Peak, 13,234. Headed that way. Trail's looking like it's getting a little sketchy here, but the storms are staying away, so I'm glad. Just gonna take my time, get down safely. Okay, I just went way the wrong way. I just skirted across the side of that mountain. Oh my gosh, that was loose and sketchy as hell. But I can see the saddle I'm going to. Oh my gosh, there was definitely a couple sketchy moments there. Oh God. All right, just made it to my goal, 24 miles. That was a hell of a day. I'm down off the ridge, so I can camp wherever I want and feel safe. It's another half mile to the water, so I want to make it there. And it is only 5:15, so I might have a little gas left in the tank. But, whew, what a day. All right, got set up just in time. Got this beautiful waterfall behind me, but not sure if I'm gonna get to enjoy it or not. At least I'll hear it while I sleep. What an incredible day. I'm glad the rain held out for me. It could have been raining on me all day up on that ridge, but had just perfect weather. Nice and cool, a little windy, but it kept those storms away, I think, so. Did 26.5 miles. I pushed way further than I thought I was going to, and tomorrow's another hard day. I'm going up to the top of Gray's Peak, over 14,000 feet, and I think I'm still 37 miles from Berthoud Pass, and I definitely don't have enough food, so I will be hungry when I get to Winter Park. Luckily, I packed that pizza out from Copper Mountain the other day, so I have an extra dinner, so probably have that for lunch tomorrow. But hard day, awesome day. I took a spill at the end, put another hole in my tights, and a little bloodied up, so that kind of hurt, and need to clean that up a little bit. But gonna get set up here. Got to blow out my pad and do everything, but I got the tent set up just in time before it started raining, so pretty dry.